Hi guys,
Hi.
welcome back to the channel. We've got an unboxing, as you've seen by the title of this video. We've got number now Chuck's shaving channel. I watch Chuck's videos. My grandchildren love his videos as well. Chuck, if you're watching, we do watch them. I'm not a great one for commenting on anybody's videos, but I do watch Chuck's, and I watch Jimbo Shaves, and I watch several other. Well, Chuck got in touch with me and he said, John, I want to send you something. Now, I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting this. Check this out. Chuck, first and foremost, thank you very, very much. And Samantha is working at home today and her nose is bothering her. So she said, I will come in and give you a hand, help you with the unboxing.
No, I have to open it in case it gets paper.
Okay, right, so come on. Let's, we'll take this one out first. No, I opened that. Check this out. Check this out. Thank you, Chuck. Look, they're all different. We absolutely love them. Thank you very much. Look at those, all different. So we'll put those there. And then we got these, huh? Keurig glazed donut flavour coffee. I think these will fit in the one that we used to have.
Yep.
You put them in, yeah. But absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much, Chuck, and his wife Debbie as well. Debbie, thank you. And let me have a look here. We've got, look at this, samples galore. Chuck, I don't know where to begin. I'm going to go through them all, but maybe just not in the video. Give you guys a heads up. Look at all these wonderful soaps that we've got coming up. Please go and subscribe to Chuck's channel. I don't know if did I mention it in the introduction? Something happened with Chuck's channel and YouTube just wiped everything. He lost all his content, he lost everything, he was on about 700 subscribers, all gone. He's starting from scratch again, so if you go to Chuck's shaving channel, go and give him a sub. He's one of the good guys, as I like to say. Look at this. This is absolutely wonderful. Chuck, thank you so much. Yeah, there's so much in there. I think we should have done this unboxing differently. I think we should have put them on a table and laid them out. Do you want to open that for me? Was that in there as well?
Yep.
Oh, what's that?
It's mine.
I know it's a pen.
No, I think it's mine.
Oh, I thought it was mine. It's a pen. There you go. Subtle Art Soap Company. Look, it's been claimed already. Hoffman's. I'm a big fan of Hoffman's, and I'm a big fan of this. Struggled to get this, so thank you. I've already had a sniff, actually, Chuck, if I'm being honest, and that smells absolutely delicious. Not had a Hoffman's Dragon. Here, we do this one live. Look at this, guys. Oh, that smells nice. Absolutely wonderful generosity. What's this one? I've seen that about.
That's really nice. That one.
Take that one. What's this? Ah, look at that. That's the. Remember when I said you're going to Germany, get the Irish mousse?
Yeah.
Samantha's going to go to Germany and get me some Irish mousse. Check this out. Look at this, guys. I have seen this. But it smells like that's an actual. Is that sweet? You eat that like trail mix or something? Sunshine. Guess what's inside? Fold and tear here. Go on, I will let you do that.
I'll do it after.
No idea what's in it. But Chuck, I mean, this must have cost an absolute fortune. Thank you very, very. Oh, that one. That's a nice. Isn't that a nice label? That's the matching. Splash for that. Oh, I would smell that.
Oh, that smells nice. I'm not going to smell that in case it's citric. I'm sneezing all day.
Pure and simple. Well, it's named after you, isn't it? Right, there you go, yeah. Absolutely wonderful. Right.
Because I can't hit you in public.
We've been in there, we've done that one.
Oh, have you done that one? What?
Yeah, we've done that one.
See, it smells like it's for me as well.
What's this? Is that one for you as well? Right. Look at this, Chuck. Absolute Chuck. I don't know if I've got your address. I don't know if there's a return address in here. If not, you must send me your return address so I can reciprocate in kind. It really is very generous. And it's all stuff I must be so easy to read. This is all stuff we absolutely love. Thank you. What's that one? Deluna Graffiti Bridge, Colombian. That's going to be beautiful. It smells beautiful already, doesn't it?
Ooh, I love that one.
What's it? Midnight shift. If only you ever put a shift in. Anywhere, ever. There you go. Oh, look at that. Look, that's just absolutely wonderful. And that's it. Well, I say that's it. It sounds awful saying that's it, doesn't it? There's a couple of other little things still to go through in the samples and so on. Could be here all day because it's so generous. So just wanted to share it with everybody and show them Chuck's wonderful kindness towards me and Mona Lisa.
Thank you.
Yeah. So thank you very much, Chuck. Like I said, please go check out his channel. And Chuck, I'll have a look, but send me that address and let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like me to send over. So that's it. We're going to take this in the kitchen now and have a proper look. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Chuck.
Bye.
Bye. Say thank you, Chuck.
Bye. Thank you, Chuck.
Yeah. And Debbie.
And Debbie. Thank you, Debbie.
Thank you, Debbie. Bye.